CES 2026. Today I am looking at Guide Sensmart and I am with Kevin. Tell me what you got going on today.
This is some cameras. Usually we are for hunting, securing, and something.
Going from the bottom to the top, which ones are the best ones in your mind?
This one is the best one.
Okay.
You can see resolution 640, and it can detect more than 1,800 meters.
Okay.
Yeah, and very clearly. Yeah.
That's actually really impressive. I actually took a look through that one a little bit ago, and that has got a very clean display on it.
This one, not only thermal but also digital view. There are two models, and we have more than 7 settings.
Okay.
Yeah, iron, white,
Okay.
white hot, white heat, and so on.
So those are the different color palettes. So if you don't like one particular color palette, you can just change that willy-nilly.
Yes.
Right on. Okay. So you said that this one is thermal as well as digital. So if you don't want to have the thermal, you can just look through like a regular camera zoomed in.
Just normal photo, normal video, nature side. Yeah, that's what we can do.
Okay, that's awesome, man. You got some great stuff here. I'm looking forward to seeing more of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.